Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I received this package a couple of days ago and I've been very excited for it to be Saturday so I can unbox this with you. I posted it in IG and many guessed right that it is White Knights paints. I heard about this paint brand from other artists but never tried them out myself. So thank you White Knights for sending this over for me to try out. If you're wondering where you can get White Knights for Filipino artists looking for this set, you may purchase them in the Weir online shop. For international artists, White Knights is available on Amazon. I put the links down in the description box below, and I'm not making any money out of this. Again, White Knights just sent this to me to review. Before we continue, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button and leave a comment down below if you have any requests of what I will create with the White Knights theme. Alright, so first impressions, I love the big mixing palette. This is important for me, it needs a lot of space for my colors not to bleed with one another. I like that these full pans are at least bigger than the usual half pans we get on other sets. Half pans actually damage your brush because it's hard to get the colors out from the tiny pans, but with this size, your brushes will be able to get the paints faster and without any trouble. Color-wise, it is pretty standard, I would say. Given that I paint mostly flowers, I would gravitate towards the reds, the greens, and the brown colors. And I think looking at this palette, I will be using most of them. So I'm very excited to use this palette on a proper painting. This is the White Nights Watercolor paint set in 24 colors. First impressions, you've seen the swatches. It's very bright, very pigmented. This is artist grade paint, and I'm looking forward to using this in one of my floral artworks. Until next time, bye!